Yo, what's up, Learn How to Draw Hub crew? I'm your host, Nathan Johns, and today we're going to be learning how to draw cartoon hands. I'm excited. This is going to be so dope. Now, one more thing. If you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do that right now. Awesome. Well, let's go get down to it. Let's go see what we can come up with. So for the first step of making our cartoon hands, we're going to begin by folding our paper in half like a book. Awesome, now today we're going to make two different types of hands. We're going to draw one line going straight down this crease that we just made. That will separate the two different types of hands that we make. Now we're going to make the first hand on the left hand side, and this would be a curled finger. Awesome, that looks great. Now we're going to move over to the right hand side, and we're going to make a hand with a thumbs up. And if I ever go too fast, feel free to pause the video. This is how to draw a curled finger and how to draw a thumbs up. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub.